Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan, and today we are going to see what's inside a vending machine.
This is a real vending machine, and by the way, this video is in VR 180. So take your settings on your phone right now or on your computer and make it be the highest possible so it's like 4K, and so that you can see this madness, because we've got a dump truck over here, we've got this giant cat right here, and I think the plan is gonna be once we get into this and somehow get the candy out, we're gonna take this cat and use the giant claw to maybe pick it up and smash it and ride over it and just destroy this thing. First of all, we got to test to make sure this thing works, because we bought this off of the internet and some dude just dropped it off for us here in the middle of the desert.
That's a good choice. That's
Reese's!
Yes! Yes! It works!
Yes! There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Our mouth is full of chocolate.
Ready?
Ready?
3, 2.
Oh! Let me try. Oh no! Baseball will not puncture this. Oh, look out, he's going again! All right,
Upgrade.
I'm upgrading to caveman. Here we go.
Oh! What?
Right in the Hershey's, what did I say? So this is the type of glass that we had on, what was the machine that we did, the claw machine? If you did fall into it or somebody pushed you into it, it breaks in a way that doesn't really cut you. It doesn't break in like a super dangerous knife, dagger, glass way. You've got all these springy things.
Whoa! there goes the springy thing.
So basically the way that it works is on the end of this, there's a motor, and this spins, and it just keeps spinning. It's like a spring. You don't even need a key, and you can just get into it.
Oh, that's cool.
There you go, springy things everywhere. Here's the motors.
Gone.
This looks like it's something from the 80s. Here's the motors for every single one of them.
That whole thing just comes out.
All right, so there's a bucket down here, but there's no money inside of that. Why is there no money?
Oh, right here. It says nickels, dimes.
So right here is where the change apparently goes in. Wow. Okay. Oh!
Hey, that worked.
Okay, there's the inside. There's a little latch right here. Oh, wow.
Yes! Money!
There's where you put the money.
Yeah, it's weird. My school doesn't even have vending machines.
What?
They have when in one of the hallways they have like this thing that's labeled vending. Like there should be a vending machine. There's like a cover over it, but they just put like chairs and stuff in it. So we don't. Yeah.
Schools
we
these
don't
days.
we don't even have vending machines.
Do you guys have vending machines in your schools? I feel like today in 2019, if people did have vending machines, it's probably like broccoli and carrots.
Oh yeah, the schools are trying to be so healthy.
So the next step is definitely this guy right here. This is a giant bucket, and I guess this is called a thumb. That's quite the thumb. It's like a dinosaur thumb.
It's got 4 fingers on the thumb.
Okay.
So I can this, you have to put out 440.
Oh, okay. Might as well try it. All right. I got like a 1-minute lesson on this. It's a nice seat right there. Bouncy. Oh, I want to see how the thumb works. Oh, there it is. There's the driver. Okay, I'm going to try turning it. This is not a good idea. candy everywhere. All these springs are everywhere. For your hard work, your efforts. There you go.
Worn out from all this work.
Skittles, guys, they're really good. There they go.
Those aren't Skittles.
Oh, these aren't Skittles. I've been corrected. They're really good though. Watch this. I'm gonna catch it in my mouth. I got one. Out of all of those.
Oh, look at that spring!
This is how you get the candy out of the machine right here. It's everywhere. And I hope that you're enjoying it in VR 180. You can see everything around you. If you wear a headset, it's like you're at a 3D movie. Okay, Bobby, can we take the track? Do you think you could run over this thing?
I think we can do that for sure.
Yes!
Bobby. Everybody needs a Bobby in their life. Oh, it's lifting it up! Look at this! Vending machine has been smashed. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can still get one out of there. That Kit Kat. Ah. The only bad thing about this whole project is that I was gonna take this candy and use it for Halloween and give it to kids. How many vending machines have you driven over before?
This is first.
Yes. Out of it. Its insides are on the outside right now, which is typically not a good thing.
That had a bunch of candy in it, a bunch of wires and stuff, and now it's just... Hey, there's one.
Sorry kids, you're not getting this at Halloween. This is my candy. I hope there's no glass in it. That was the side of a vending machine.
Yeah.
In VR 180. Let us know what else we should film in VR 180. We have a special project coming up next. This guy, giant chainsaw versus these. If you haven't seen the video, we'll put a link to it and you can go watch it, but this one looks even more dangerous. Oh, yep, still doesn't break anything. A baseball, do not break things with baseballs.